Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 然 step by step. I will write in regular script first, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 然 correct, right. So, for example, 然后 after, then, and then, who knows? 然后呢？谁知道？然后呢？谁知道啊？And then, who knows? Now let's write 然 fast. 然 correct, right. So, 然后 after, then, and then, who knows? 然后呢？谁知道啊？ Okay, please comment any sentence with 然. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.